Introduction to Photoshop. In this section, you'll learn about the basics of Photoshop, including the interface, tools, and panels. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is a popular image editing software developed and published by Adobe Inc. It is widely used by graphic designers, photographers, and digital artists to manipulate and enhance images. With Photoshop, users can perform various tasks such as cropping, resizing, retouching, color correction, and compositing. The software offers a wide range of tools and features, including layers, masks, filters, and effects, which allow users to create complex and visually stunning graphics and designs. Photoshop is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems and is available as a standalone application or as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. It is considered an industry standard for digital image editing and is widely used in various fields such as advertising, web design, publishing, and film production. The Photoshop interface. The Photoshop interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with a variety of tools and panels that can be customized to fit the user's workflow. Here are some of the key elements of the Photoshop interface. Menu bar. This is located at the top of the application window and contains drop-down menus that provide access to various commands and options. Toolbar. The toolbar is located on the left side of the application window and contains various tools for selecting, painting, retouching, and more. Options bar. The options bar is located just below the menu bar and displays settings and options for the currently selected tool. Panels. Panels are dockable windows that can be arranged to suit the user's needs. They contain various functions and options for working with images, such as layers, color, and history. Document window. This is where the active document is displayed. Multiple document windows can be open at the same time and arranged in various ways. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the application window and displays information about the currently selected tool and the document. Overall, the Photoshop interface is highly customizable, allowing users to rearrange and group panels and tools to suit their individual needs and workflows. The toolbox. The toolbox, also known as the toolbar, is one of the key components of the Photoshop interface. It is located on the left side of the application window and contains a variety of tools for selecting, painting, retouching, and more. Here are some of the most commonly used tools in the Photoshop toolbox. 1. Move tool. This tool is used to move and position layers and selections within a document. 2. Marquee tool. This tool is used to make rectangular or elliptical selections within a document. 3. Lasso tool. This tool is used to make freehand selections within a document. 4. Magic wand tool. This tool is used to select areas of similar color or tone within a document. 5. Crop tool. This tool is used to crop and resize a document. 6. Brush tool. This tool is used for painting and drawing within a document. 7. Eraser tool. This tool is used to erase parts of an image or layer. 8. Clone stamp tool. This tool is used to copy pixels from one part of a document to another. 9. Gradient tool. This tool is used to create gradients or smooth transitions between colors. 10. Text tool. This tool is used to add text to a document. These are just a few examples of the many tools available in the Photoshop toolbox. Each tool has its own options and settings in the options bar located at the top of the application window. The toolbox is highly customizable, allowing users to add or remove tools and to create their own custom tool presets.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.